The PDO threads are a wonderful product to add to your services. If you're an esthetician or if you own a salon or a spa, it's a great new service to add to your business. This is a nice needle-free process, so women are very excited about it. It's a new way to tighten your skin. So you can contact me by email at any time if you are interested in any other type of product. If anybody has any interest in the hyaluron pen, I did write a hyaluron guide and I must specialize in the hyaluron products as well. So you can contact me anytime regarding any type of beauty products at lc@hyaluron-queen with the k.com. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions or help you with any of the supplies you might need. You can also find some of my work on many of my social medias. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. I have many videos about the hyaluron device. I will be talking about the PDO threads. So let's begin by introducing the liquid PDO gold threads. As women reach a certain age, especially after the age of 25, we enter the slow pace of aging. If we don't maintain our skin at this point, or if we wait till we're 30, it may be too late. Instant results with this product remove wrinkles for a younger looking you. No needles or surgery needed. You will begin to see its effects after only one use, so the results are immediate. The benefits of using these peptides are they are very rich in texture. They nourish and they hydrate the skin immensely. They give skin brightening, they remove dark circle under the eyes, discoloration of the skin, and tighten fine lines. And it gives a nice liquid facelift, as we like to say. So how does liquid PDO gold threads work? It supplies collagen, it strengthens the structure of the skin, and it gradually forms a collagen net. This reduces wrinkles and it also tightens the skin and it gives a nice youthful contour. This non-aggressive treatment has no knives, no needles, no broken skin, and no redness. The benefits are no needle, no pain, skin tightening, instant results, look 5 to 10 years younger instantly. It's a liquid facelift, wrinkle erasing, easy to use, new technology, skin benefit. These are your essence with your gold leaf pieces inside. You can see inside your little gold leaves. That's the serum. You'll be getting 5 pieces of 15 ml. You have 5 of these. You have 12 PDO thread per box. I do recommend that you get 3 extra packs of thread because you will need them for the amount of essence you will have in the box, because you will have extra essence compared to the thread you have. So that's just a recommendation. I always order extra thread per box that I do order for myself, because you can get many treatments per box. Now, as per treatment, a lot of people ask how many treatments they can get per box. It really depends on the area you're treating. Every person's different, every face shape is different. You might be only treating a forehead, you might be only treating a cheek or an under eye. It really depends how big of an area you're treating and if you're treating the whole face or not. So it really depends. You'll be the judge of that. You'll see different areas require different amount of string lengths and string amounts. This is what comes in your gift box. This is what the extra threads look like. You get 12 pieces per pack. They come in a little sterile pack. It's great for all skin types. Now I'm going to take my essence and I'm going to spray it all around my face. The product itself, it's an amazing product, a great product to add to your services and to add to your skin. My skin feels very, very soft right now. You can take a look. There's no redness. There's no burning. There's no nothing. My skin feels very hydrated right now that it's dried up. My skin's feeling very soft. So if you want to contact me for any questions or supplies, you can reach me at my email at lc@hyaluron-queen.com. I'll be happy to help you. You can contact me anytime. I hope you all stay safe and take care.